Hello, I am Kelly Schaffner. Welcome to my channel. If you are returning, thank you so much for supporting my channel. And if you are visiting for the first time, welcome. I hope that you will subscribe before you leave, give this video a thumbs up, and tap that bell to be notified every single time I release another video. And I do unboxings and reviews of clothing subscription companies and also clothing hauls. So if you like those types of videos, you have come to the right place. Today I'm going to be reviewing a brand new to me subscription company, and that is Tote. But this is not the Tote rental service. This is actually Tote Select. And I'm going to tell you the story behind Tote. I have been looking into Tote and Rent the Runway because I am intrigued by the rental services. I'm the kind of girl that does not mind wearing pre-used clothes. That's fine with me. In fact, if you have clothes that you no longer want, send them to me. If they're my size, I will wear them more than likely. But I did not ever sign up for Tote because I truthfully don't have time. I wear a uniform to work, so I only am in need of outfits for the weekend or special occasions, and it just didn't seem like it would work into my lifestyle at this time. But they continue to send me emails, very intriguing offers. But recently they sent me an email saying that they had started what was called Tote Select, and that is actually a subscription service. So I'll purchase the clothes if I decide I like them. It works much like other subscription boxes. I filled out a profile, a style quiz, and then they paired me with a stylist who selected 4 items, and they're in the $50 price range, which I was cool with that. And they send me a box. I have 5 days to try everything on at home and send it back. Shipping is free both ways. And there's also a place, I haven't done that yet, but when I check out to offer feedback about these items that I receive, and that should make my future boxes better. So I am so excited to try this brand new service to me. But as far as I know, I think it's new to all of us. Let's see what we have here. Okay, bear with me. So it says, "Hi, Kelly. Confidence never goes out of style." And okay, we have our price sheet here, which I really don't want to look at. It's not a personal note from a stylist. It says, "Keep the items you love, return the rest within 5 days in the prepaid return bag. Don't forget, your $40 credit will be applied to any item you decide to keep in the box." And there is a $20 styling fee, but they did offer me a credit of $40 to try this service. Score until a tote. It's thank you for ordering your first box. By now you know we created Tote Select for you. Our goal was simple: make it easy for you to buy the pieces you want, brand new. These are not used clothing. In your perfect style and silhouette. Forget online shopping fails. Now you can get fashion that actually fits, conveniently delivered to your door. We're excited you're here. So there's more information, which I'll read before the try-on to see if I need to share any of that. This is all wrapped in plastic, so no tissue paper, but I see some nice bright colors, which is always the style note. Please send springtime bright light fashions. And then we have our prepaid mailer here. The inside of the box. Can you read that? New outfit. Bring on the compliments. I love it. Okay. Let's open this up. It says, the Tote sticker says, "Look great and feel fabulous." Yes. Okay. We have, you can see we have denim in there, so that's interesting. But some pretty colors. Let's start right here. This first thing is a Collective Concepts top in my favorite color. This is red, long sleeve, with that choker neckline and a V-neck. And this looks really short for me. It's got the gathered sleeves there. I do like the print of it. Yeah, we got to try this one on because it's just not, it's not doing much for me just coming out of the box here. And this is a Hervé Bernard blouse in a blush color. And this is not normally a color that I wear because it kind of washes me out. This has got a really interesting sleeve detail though. I like that in that it's different and unique, that little ruffle there. I don't know about that. And we've got the ruffle around the collar. This is a button up all the way in blush. We'll see. Eliza J. What do we have? Is it a dress? Now this feels really thick. Oh my gosh. This looks so Kelly the way this is cut. Let me stand up and show you. This is kind of a skater fit and flare dress. This is just a pullover. I hope it's long enough for me, but it is a really nice thick fabric. And I'm excited to try this one on. And the last thing we have is Calvin Klein jeans. And, I don't know. Yeah, I don't wear a whole lot of Calvin Klein. I like Calvin Klein dresses, but let's see, what do we have? These are a straight leg or a skinny kind of wash. I will tell you, I don't have anything in like this wash, so this could be an option for me. Let's try it all on. This is the Collective Concepts top, which I discovered once I tried it on is actually orange. Let me get up close so you can see it. This choker neckline is a little bit tight, but the V-neck doesn't bother me at all. It is not cut too low. It's got these big blousey sleeves with the cuff right there. And that's a little bit loose on me, but I really don't mind it too much. Let me show you the back. It does have the button closure, which must be used. Otherwise, I couldn't get my big head through it. I like this blouse. My issue with this blouse is the length of it. I prefer my blouses a little bit longer if I'm going to wear them untucked. But yeah, it's pretty short, even all the way around. Now, if I do a front tuck, does that change it at all? It's a little bit cuter, I think. I think this blouse feels a little bit dressy, although I think it could be fun. I don't know. Let's talk about these jeans. These Calvin Klein jeans feel amazing. That's one thing about Le Tote. They actually take all of your measurements and they say everything is going to fit when it gets to you. So that's true, it does, and it feels great. But they feel very much like a dungaree to me. They don't feel like a designer jean, although they feel good on. They've got the 5-pocket, they've got these 2 pockets that work, this little coin pocket, and then of course we have the design on the back pockets. The fly doesn't seem to be laying completely flat, but let me stand back so you can see the length of them. And can you see that? I like the length. I like the pants. So the reason I'm reluctant to buy Calvin Klein from a subscription service is I do own Calvin Klein jeans and slacks, and I have purchased them at big box stores like Sam's Club and Costco, and the price I've paid is like $20. I always feel like I score when I find them. You have to be there at the right time to find them. So these jeans I will definitely buy if the price is right. This is Hervé Bernard, and do I look washed out in this blush color? I always feel very washed out. I think it's a beautiful color, just not on me. And look at this. I don't know. This looks like maybe a work blouse for a job that I don't have. And these cuffs are a little bit different. They fit differently on both sleeves. So that's a little concerning to me. This blouse feels very dated to me. I feel like I would have worn this blouse in the late 1980s. I really do. It feels like something I probably had there with all the ruffle detail. And again, this blouse I think would be paired nicely with some dress slacks to wear to the office. And I don't have that job. So I don't know if I would ever wear this. Let me show you the back of it. And the side. I think it might be a little bit longer in the back. But still, if I was to wear it out, I think it's a little bit short for my liking. I don't know, what do you think about this one? Our last option is the Eliza J dress, and it's in this deep pink fabric, color I should say, with a textured fabric. Let me show you. You see that texture on it? And I have requested this. I enjoy textures in my clothing, and I think with this solid color, this texture adds a lot of interest. This is a very modest neckline. It's sleeveless. There are no pockets. I wish it had pockets because I enjoy pockets in my dresses. Let me stand back. Let's watch the movement of the dress. That's always important to me, how the dress moves when I walk, because I don't like wearing a slip. Let me know what you think about this one. My final thoughts on Le Tote, my very first box, is they did okay. They did a good job with sizing, just not so much on my style preferences. So you have seen the prices, I have not, so we'll go through the prices real quick. The first one is the Harvey Bernard ruffle neck blouse. That's the blush colored blouse, is $28. And that is a really good price for a blouse if I had any need for it, but I don't, nor do I like it much, to be honest with you. The next one is the Eliza J. This is the jacquard sweater dress. Okay, that makes sense. This is a sweater dress, which explains the weight of the fabric, although for a sweater dress, I believe it's pretty lightweight. It's a lightweight sweater and a heavyweight dress. This is $64. So that's an option. The Collective Concepts keyhole neck blouse is $38. That's this one. And I like this blouse. I think I'm drawn to the color of this blouse. Let me know what you think about the fit on this one, because I think it might be the color that I'm attracted to. This is also dry clean only, which I prefer easy wash and wear. And the last item is the Calvin Klein jeans, and these are the mid-rise skinny jean, and these are $70. And you know what? They were a great fit in a wash that I do not own. I think of Calvin Klein jeans as a discount jean. I truly do. I feel like I could get them at Costco, but you know what? I'm not at Costco. I'm right here in my house with these jeans available to purchase if I choose. So it says, if I love everything, get a 25% discount when you buy the whole tote, and the total of all the merchandise is $200. The 25% discount is the easy $50 off. Then I have the $40 credit. $20 of that credit is my styling fee. The other $20 credit was extended to me for trying the Le Tote Select for the very first time. So the total of this box is $110. So it might make sense to buy the whole box, even though this blouse is ruining it for me because I don't have any need for it. But just the way they do it, I have never sent a box back without using my styling fee. So I have $40 to spend, and I would love to hear your comments about which piece, if not the whole box. What would you do if you had the $40 to spend? Please comment below. I am going to look at the website and see if I have any type of referral link to refer you to the Le Tote Select, not the other service, the rental service, but this actual purchasing style service. If I do, I will link that in my description below. And thank you. Thank you for experiencing this Le Tote Select unboxing and try on with me for the very first time. I will do it again. I always give every service at least 2 shots, and I like that they sent me so many fun options. I think they'll do better next time though. So thank you very much for sticking around. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe. This is my dog Elijah, who's very interested in what's behind me. And all of my dogs, you'll get to meet all of my dogs. If you subscribe, tap that bell, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I have another video coming out for you in 2 days, so be sure and look for that. And thank you again for watching. God bless all of you.